Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Elizabeth Erawa, 30 years of age, living in San Roque, Bawan, Batangas. I have three kids, which is 12 years old, 9 years old, and 7 years old. I have a live-in partner. I am here to express my strong interest in domestic helper position with your household. With 7 consecutive years of dedicated service for a single family in Saudi Arabia. I bring a proven track record of reliability, high standard and cleanliness, and exceptional household management skills. During my 7 years of service, I took full pride in managing daily operations and keeping the home running smoothly. My primary experience and skills includes preparing fresh daily meals like breakfast, lunch, and dinner, tailored to the family's taste. I specialize in food garnishing and attractive dishes presentation, which was highly valued and trusted by my previous employer. For event and hosting, I am responsible for setting up and decorating and managing table arrangements for family gatherings and special events. Comprehensive housekeeping, I manage all daily cleaning, laundry, and meticulous ironing to keep the home immaculate and organized. I assisted with household care and supported three growing children, ages 12, 16, and 20 when I began, earning the complete and trust and confidence of the family through years of loyal service. I pride myself on my strong work ethic, honesty, and attention to detail, especially when it comes to cooking, home decoration, and maintaining a welcoming environment. I am confident that my long-term experience and dedication makes me a valuable addition to your home. Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to the opportunity to discuss how I can assist your household. Thank you so much.